Hello fans, welcome to Susie Farms. Today I want to show you some ways of propagating lemon tree and actually harvest within 1 year. This I'll do it in this platform to find out ways of enhancing food security in the world as the population keeps increasing. So propagation is one of the ways that we can produce more food. I will show you 2 ways on how you can propagate your lemon tree and harvest within 1 year. One is by using honey, and the second method is by using plantain stem. Watch to the end so that you find out which other secret ingredients are added to the stock to make sure that they germinate on time and actually produce new plants. Use a very sharp knife to peel off the skin from the stem about 3 centimeters from the bottom of the stalk. Wrap the top of the stem to avoid evaporation. Use organic honey to rub the peeled section of the stem. Put hose under the container to provide drainage. Sprinkle the soil with water to provide moisture. Then plant the peeled section of the stalk into the soil and make sure that you press the soil that's close to the stalk. Add coir pit or rice husks to make sure that you prevent loss of moisture from the soil. Wrap in a plastic to provide a good moisture condition for new shoot to come out. Within 14 days, new shoot will start coming out from the nodes. At 1 month time, you will see the leaf must have developed very well from the new shoots. And this is the result. You see the leaves so green, healthy, and you can still leave it if you want for about 2-3 months before planting. Yes, it is possible to propagate lemon tree from cuttings just using honey, and then you plant within 3 months. In so doing, the next year you are already harvesting lemon. In this second method, you will see how to propagate lemon tree from cuttings just using plantain suckers. This one is very, very favorable for those in sub-Saharan Africa where you have so many plantains in your farm. Use a very sharp knife to peel the skin from the lower end of the stalk. Then push the peeled section in the middle of the plantain's stem. Cover with a transparent plastic to prevent moisture loss. In about 4 weeks, new shoot will develop from the nodes of the lemon stalk. This is how it will look like. Then wait until you see what happens next. The top part of the cut plantain stem should not be thrown away. Wait until you see what happened with them. Then you will know why I'm saying this, because they can also be used to propagate more seedlings. After sharply cutting the lemon stalk, make sure you put them straight into the plantain stem. Open up soil and bury it on the ground. Water lightly with soil and let nature take its course. There is nothing that nature cannot do. Don't forget to cover with plastic to prevent moisture loss. Here is the final result. Just watch for yourself and appreciate. Just 1 month after nursing, this is actually how the root system has developed so well. Yes, we can still propagate to get good seedlings that will be able to plant and start harvesting just 1 year after. This will actually help us to reduce input costs. Look at the lemons already 1 year after. You can harvest. For those who like content like this, what are you still waiting for? Please like, share your opinion in the comment section below. Which of the methods you like best? Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you will be one of the first to be notified when we upload our next video soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check our next video tomorrow. We drop videos every day. Cheers.